how to check OnePay Cash Plus eligibility and benefits. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your browser and head over to OnePay's official website. Then tap on the three lines in the top right and there tap on Cash Plus and you can scroll down and know more about Gas Plus. So if you have Gas Plus, then you can win at Walmart by earning points on your purchases. You can access credit builder loans, so you can build credit without paying fees or interest. You can grow your money and you can get up to $200 in fee-free overdraft. You can gain all of this and more with the OnePay Cash Plus. So you can scroll down and learn more about it, how to unlock it. So to get OnePay Cash Plus, all you have to do is receive $500 plus in direct deposits a month or end the month with a total account balance of $5,000 or more. And you can unlock even better banking benefits like these. So you can learn more about it right on the website itself. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.